am Dr. Seema Dikshit, Professor and Head, Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics at Seema Dental College, Rishikesh. I have been working here for the last 8 years. Now, let me show you my department.
Hello, I am Dr. Anushka Rawat, a second-year postgraduate resident, and I welcome you to the Department of Conservative Dentistry and Endodontics. We are a team of 15 postgraduate students carving our niche in microendodontics, cosmetic smile designing, and minimally invasive dentistry. Now let me brief you about the salient features of our department. With 150 to 200 patients walking into our OPD every day, clinical exposure is our biggest strength. Dental operating microscopes, loupes, 3D operating systems, and CAT cams are part of our daily toolkit. Ultrasonics, bleaching units, apex locators, and comfort control syringes help us deliver precise and pain-free care. We regularly treat advanced cases like revascularization and endodontic microsurgery. Calcified canals, failed RCTs, complex traumas, each case sharpen our skills. This specialty blends precision, technology, and finesse, and we're trained to master them all. Our department isn't just updated, it's futuristic. Every tooth we save is a story preserved, a smile protected, and a life touched.